On a dark night, I was standing alone. A broken heart, a road that never knew its end. This place where everyone leaves and I'm the only one left. But the little flame inside me, it won't go out. It's time to stand up. The shadow of the past, put it behind you. Sound in my heart, wake me up to a new beginning. The moment I found myself shining, my song that came up through the darkness. Now walk without fear, full of positive energy. Tough days, the weight that weighed on me, but I won't give up, I'll get back on my feet. My inner passion grows bigger, now I'll let you hear my voice. It's time to stand up. The shadow of the past, put it behind you. Sound in my heart, wake me up to a new beginning. The moment I found myself shining, my song that came up through the darkness. Now walk without fear, full of positive energy. After the pain, I'm stronger. I'll follow the light of hope, I'll move on. Now I'm showing my dream into the world I made. The moment I found myself shining, my song that came up through the darkness. Now walk without fear, full of positive energy. It's a hard time, forget about it. Walk my way to the future. I believe in myself and I'm starting a new beginning. Sing together, spread out endlessly. It's a hard time, forget about it. Walk my way to the future. I believe in myself and I'm starting a new beginning. Sing together, spread out endlessly.